whether you're a beginner in IT or you have years of experience. Right now, one of the question everyone is asking how they can start in artificial intelligence without a degree and experience. Not everyone has gotten degree in machine learning or artificial intelligence. Yes, more and more people are enrolling in these courses in the universities and other places, but still, what about the professionals who are already working in the fields like cloud engineers, DBAs, developers, or even the graduates who have just completed their degrees in computer science and they are looking to get into AI because, yes, everyone is talking about it and it is clear as daylight that upcoming years are belong to artificial intelligence and more jobs will be made redundant which are non-AI. So how do you go about it and how do you start in artificial intelligence without a proper degree in AI? And of course, no one has experience or like 99% of the people have no experience in artificial intelligence at the moment. So how do you start with it? Okay, the first thing is that yes, it is a puzzling question. Lot of people are worrying about it. I can see that many podcast conferences are just discussing this question without an answer, but you have to start somewhere, and that is the first point. So remember this, that market drives the demand and market drives the answer to this question. Market is a huge factor here because in the market it will determine that if it has the candidates or if it has the appetite for the job roles. Also remember this quote from Marcus Aurelius, that if a thing is humanly possible, then consider it within your reach. Once you get it in your head, rest assured that you'll be well on your way in achieving your goal. Now, like any other field, make sure that you learn the ropes. You know all the terms. What is artificial intelligence? What is machine learning? What are transformers? How different phases of large language models work? What type of models are there? And whatever you can get your hands on. And there are a lot of videos on YouTube, and you can find many introductory videos on my channel too. Once you have done that, go online and practice various AI tools around it, whether they are in terms of text generation, image manipulation, video generation, text to image, and there are a lot of them. Even the AI code assistants are very valuable. Then download the LLMs in Google Colab or Jupyter Notebook and then play with them. You can even go with the hosted ones. And that will really, really open up your eyes that what is the potential of these LLMs. One of the most important thing which you can do in order to start in this field is making and building connections. For building connections, there are a lot of sites. Start from LinkedIn and then also go through Reddits and then watch uh, videos on YouTube, comment under them, and also make sure you contribute to Hugging Face too. There are a lot of stuff on GitHub too, but if you just start with these four avenues, you should be good to go. And then you reach out to people on these social media website and ask them how they are going about it, and they can share their experiences and some valuable insight, and who knows, you might be able to find some sort of internship or some entry level job in AI. So that's it, guys. I hope that this was valuable. If you have any insights or want to share any tips, please put them in the comments, and if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.